Welcome back to AI content creation. I'm going to show you a couple of my sites that were built 100% with AI content. And these sites have actually made money with the affiliate program from Amazon. But you can see right over here, this is Candy Cross Paws. Everything that I've done, I created this, the logo in Canva. And then we have information and guides, breeds and organizations. We have this nice and organized. Created this banner right here that it doesn't look necessarily highly professional, but it does stand out. And it just looks like somebody that knows about this sport, Candy Cross, built this website, right? And so you can come over here and look at some of this, like hands-free dog leash with car seat belt review. These are reviews that we're getting these links that go back to internal links right there. And then you have this learn more button right over here. That's going to be a button that you can go back to to Amazon. If someone clicks on this, they'll go to Amazon and they can make the purchase, right? So we've got this nice product review right over here. And you can build these sites. Now, this site in particular, I used a software called AI WiseMind, and that is a monthly cost, right? So it costs monthly in order to use this software right over here. I have another website over here that's called Newbie Gardening, and you can see, even if we go and check the traffic on this, that it is getting thousands of visitors per month. And I built this about 5 months ago, and it's, it's actually moving forward and growing. And you can see it has over 600 articles on it right now using only AI to create this as well. I haven't even begun to start promoting products on it because it's all informational content, but you can go out and build sites like this very quickly. And there is a tool that you can use to build one. It's called sitegenius. If you click the link below, it'll take you right over here and you can check it out. Build AI generated sites using the power of ChatGPT. It does all the work. You can watch this video, it'll explain everything for you, but you can create multiple commission earning sites, 100% beginner friendly, no techie stuff, custom AI models, fresh content, free traffic, built-in, instant approval, and so forth. So super cool. You can go and check out the sales page right over here, and you can start becoming an Amazon affiliate and start making money from very laser targeted product reviews. I'm going to show you how we do that. So I've already went in here and I've built a site right over here. It's called wafflereport.learnherehub.com. Now you can change the domain if you want. So we go and edit the site. We can actually search for a new domain. We can also put in a custom domain in here. They have instructions on how to do that. I'm just showing you how we can actually use this site, but you've got all kinds of settings in here. You have the home page settings that you can come in here and change anything that you want. You have your Amazon affiliate link. You put your Amazon affiliate link in there for all like 17 countries of Amazon. And you have social media links, you have all your disclosures and so forth. This stuff's already done as it's already put on the site. So it's really like a true turnkey solution that I have not seen in other softwares. So it's a true turnkey solution. Even if you wanted to run display ads, they have a file ads.txt. You can go ahead and put that in right there, and you could actually go and put, AdSense or other on your site as soon as it starts getting a lot of traffic. We can go and take a look at what this site actually looks like real quick, and then I'll show you how we can actually go and start creating content. So we have Waffle Report right over here. You can change the logo right over here if you wanted to. You have product review section, you have your blog, buying guides, etc., contact. So even if you click the contact us, they've got a nice form filled out. They've got your privacy policy, terms and conditions. That's already done for you. You even have your copyright down here. So it's powered by sitegenius AI, super cool, intuitive, a great AI. But let me show you how this works, right? So let's go finish over here. I put this custom banner in here as well. They tell you exactly the dimensions to put in there. And remember, this is not on WordPress. Most people build sites on WordPress, and something like 40-something% of the whole internet uses WordPress, but not everybody does, right? There's still a 60% market that doesn't use WordPress. You can build an entire blog with this system. And you can, they host everything for you. They do all that for you. So this is really truly like great for beginners. It's a great business model. It's going to take some time. You probably won't make money overnight with this, but it will take several months. But then you can start building up to that $50, $100 a day mark. This is a great business model. Again, you can also go and get your own domain. So it would just say wafflereport.com, right? Let me show you what this looks like. We can come over here, Hamilton Beach, Belgian waffle maker review, fluffy waffles in minutes. You can see the layout of the website over here. You have a nice category section. You have your contents or table of contents right there. These check current price will take you right to Amazon. And if I hover over this, you'll see down here at the bottom, you'll actually see where it says Learn Gadget -20. That's my affiliate link. So that's already built in. So there's so many little things that the software does that saves you time, not having to go to Amazon, get your use Site Stripe and get your Amazon link, and then hover over and then make a link out of it. Those days are over. It just does everything automatically for you. You have your full review content. I would like to see more images put in here, but that's probably an update. The software coming soon. You have your social links down here and so forth. So really all you would need to do with each post, post about 2 or 3 a day. Here's your featured image right here as well. And then you can also change these ads out right over here as well on the site. So the site is definitely set up to make you money while also being nice and clean and laid out. It's a great review theme that they've got. I would recommend putting in a little bit more touch into the content, making it stand out a little bit more with just structure and so forth, right? And then also adding a couple more images throughout would really, really help. But other than that, you'll have this nice website that is ready to rock and roll. Here's some other stuff. We would remove this from the blog, but this is just kind of like what it looks like when you have blog articles on here as well. So let me show you how this works. So we're over here on Amazon, and if I go, since it's a waffle site, I'm going to say waffle maker or waffle iron, right? And we're just going to come through here. Here's a Mickey Mouse one, right? So let's go and click on the Mickey Mouse one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this little button. Now they have full tutorials on how to get this extension. This is a Chrome extension. So there is no WordPress and there's no WordPress plugin, which is awesome because I know that there's a lot of problems with that, with a lot of, especially if it's you have a learning curve, especially if you're new at this. Those softwares that come with, you have to learn about hosting. You have to worry about installing your WordPress theme and all the plugins that come and figuring out WordPress in itself will take you a week or 2 of time. But then after that, then you have to worry about the actual plugin and hooking that up. Well, over here, we've got our sitegenius already ready to go. And all you have to do once you, it's very easy to install the Chrome extension. Once you find a product that you like, all you have to do is just click on the $ over here, and then you choose what website, right? I only have one website, but you just choose the website and say, review this product. Now the product was added to the queue, and then now we can go and track the progress. And now the AI is going to go out and work on our product review. This may take a few minutes, and then we'll be back in just a sec. So it actually comes out really, really quickly. It takes less than a minute for it to actually work. So we're going to go see the product review. It's going to open up right over here. It says Disney Mickey Mouse double flip waffle. Now we can change the title if we want to, but it's always going to have the product description, pros and cons, customer reviews, conclusion, FAQ, and so forth. And look, right over here, we have our, if someone clicks on this, once we publish it, it's going to take them right over here, and it has our affiliate link right over here ready to make the purchase. Super, super cool. So we have the full review, the product description. I recommend making sure that there is no duplication of the description right here and also this part right here. Sometimes it kind of says the same thing up there, so you might want to like remove this intro and write your own intro is what I would recommend doing. But again, just adding in a few, like right over here, this is one of my favorite parts, customer reviews. It talks about that, and it has, here is what some of the customers had to say, purchased a little while, blah, 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 5 stars, 5 stars. So it's really helping someone out, the end user that wants to go out and look at this. You're condensing a review down. You can go out, and then now we have the frequently asked questions right over here as well. So you have this really nice article. If I do a Control A, right click, and see how long this is. I mean, you're talking about an almost 2,000 word article right here that AI went out and automatically created for us. Just add some images, just add your featured image as well. So all you have to do is just come through over here, and you're going to go to the blog section right over here and articles. And then you're going to go over to this Disney thing right here. And then you'll go and you can say, you can even call it a featured one by ticking this box over here. And then you can also go and push the edit button, and it'll take you into the editor right here. And it kind of looks like WordPress and kind of like Shopify. This is a little easier than WordPress. Just everything's laid out, right? So you've got your site, you got your category. We can change the category right over here. It's product reviews. You have your title over here. We can make changes to. We have our article URL slug. So you might want to say Disney, Mickey Mouse, something like that. You might want to take this part off right here is what I would do. So I would remove that. And then we have our published time right here. And then you can go and add anything else that you would like. You can, just make any of your adjustments in the content editor. You can add links. You can add more images right over here. You can choose a file. I like that they have a choose file section. A lot of these type of AIs don't have that, where you just have to put the image URL right over here. But right over here, all you have to do is just go to Canva, create a couple of cool images and throw them in here. And you can actually, they have a lot of good features in here. So this is where I would spend a little bit of time. You have your introduction right over here. I'd recommend maybe rewriting this or something like that, adding a human touch to it. And then here's where you'll go and you'll just click this off, and then you'll go to browse and you'll add your own featured image. Let's just go over here and let's just say we'll add an image real quick. I'm just going to add that image right there. And then here's the status: published, draft, featured article, show on homepage. Yep, I want to check mark that. We have our SEO, what it's going to look like, title, description, meta keywords right there. And then we can go save and back. And now this is fully on our site. Now we can go and back to the dashboards and go and look at our site right over here and open this bad boy up. And now we have our articles right over here. I would recommend doing the same article size or the same template. This is a Canva thumbnail size. I think that this looks better than even this. This is the recommended size that they have, but I actually like the way that this looks better. So I would just use a thumbnail in Canva, the thumbnail size. So just go to YouTube thumbnail in Canva and then make your banner from there, and it'll look really, really good. And you click on there, everything just looks really, really good. So this is a very impressive software, one of the best that I've seen that is not a WordPress site builder. This focuses on Amazon, solely on Amazon right now. Yes, you could do other stuff as well. Like when you're in here, you can actually go in and you can go to blog, you could go to article, you could add your own custom article. You could even copy and paste from other AI writers as well and put in information posts. And that's what I would actually do, which is I would come over here and let's just say these are different blog categories, right? Like if it's a buying guide, right? So it's already laid out great, blog buying guide, right? And so you'd come in here and you'd be able to just paste in everything right over here. So super, super good stuff right over here. So right now, all you have to do is just click the first link. It'll take you over to the sales page, and then you can actually pick up a single site for $20.97. I would highly recommend spending $1 more and getting the multi-site license right over here for 3 sites. And then they do have a one-time offer upgrade that will upgrade you to unlimited sites, so you can build an entire network, pick out a bunch of different product categories and so forth, and just build literally like 50 to 100 sites doing this. So super, super cool. Pricing is still really good right now. Go check it out. Link below. I'll see you in the next video.